Hey, it's Margie with the Asking Spot, and I have gone to an estate sale where I picked up this. Ooh, isn't it cute? I adore the handle. I couldn't resist, especially because I got it for $3. So, wicker is something I used to always avoid because it wasn't something that was easy to clean, or so I thought. Because I was trying to just, dust them and be all nice. The thing is when they make wicker baskets, they actually soak this in water to make it more flexible. So it's not really too bad if you put some water on it. And that's what I'm going to do. I'm just going to get the water in the sink nice and hot, and I've got one of those sprayers, and I'm going to use that to clean it. Now, I have debated about painting it, but as we used to live in Louisiana, I completely love Mardi Gras colors, so I'm going to leave it in the Mardi Gras colors. But wait till you see what I've figured out to do with this basket. It may have you shopping at an estate sale for a basket just like it. Got it out in the full sun to dry, and while it's drying, I'm gonna go and clean the rest of my kitchen because I only did that area just because I knew you'd be watching. Now the rest of the kitchen looks really bad. In that time though, I will come back out and move it around so I can make sure that it gets full sun all the way around it. The cool thing about it is obviously sun is great for killing germs and everything like that, but it also, the heat of it will start to tighten the bands of it. This turned out great. The sun did exactly what I hoped it would do. It was bowed out on the sides, and now it's tightened up and it's looking great. So I'm excited about that. I actually kind of went on a basket buying frenzy. I got this one. It was from my favorite charity shop, World Attic Thrift Store, and I paid $1 for it. I just cleaned it up. I put a tea towel at the bottom of it, and now it's the thing that sits on the bar in the kitchen so it can catch all the clutter. It's like a little charging station because the cords can run right through it, and then it's perfect. I also love the fact that when you do use baskets, you can put all your clutter in it, and company comes, and guess what? They're going to spend a little quality time in somewhere most people don't get to see in your home. I don't know, closet, underneath the bed, sometimes in the garage. I stash them everywhere. Another great basket find I got. Now this one I got at Goodwill. It was $2. Highway robbery. No. And this one's great for just holding some produce, as you can see. Now, all of those baskets I just kind of cleaned and went with, but that wouldn't be fun if that's all I did, because I do like to mess with things and change things up. Oh, I got this one, again from my World Attic Thrift Store. This one was only $1 as well, and it is not actually real wicker. This is actually plastic. So, I'm going to change it up a bit. Heck, almost forgot. Before I paint this, I really need to clean it with a degreaser because your paint just won't stick if you don't. I could also sand it if it were something other than plastic, but because it's plastic, it's just going to need a degreaser. For contrast, I taped off only the horizontal parts of the top rim and let the little vertical straps, left those alone. And then I taped off the inside because, well, I wanted to make sure it was food safe. And then I did the bottom as well just because it was fun. Voila! Instead of a bread box, we have a bread basket. And now, ladies and gentlemen, we take you where very few have gone before. Yes, the pantry zone. Oh, I should do that off camera. this look familiar? Overstuffed pantry. You know, most of it's pretty organized, but this part, oh, the Tupperware drives me crazy. But I think I have an idea. To the super organized, my apologies. This is probably really stressing you out. But for me, this is very organized. And see the basket with the produce, it's there. And of course, the Mardi Gras basket, my favorite. It is now holding all those loose pieces of Tupperware and it's easy to access. Well, that's going to do it. That is Fun with Baskets, my version at least. Thanks for the journey into my pantry. Hope it wasn't too scary. If you could, if you're doing something with baskets, please, by all means, comment below, let me know. And I hope this inspires you to say, yeah, I am going to pop into a thrift shop or charity shop to pick up something old and give it new life. If you could, please give a thumbs up, like, subscribe. Oh yeah, you can click this thing too. That'll also help you subscribe as well. Thanks for watching The Asking Spot. Oh, I should do that off camera.